So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 7 of our daily Advent unboxing and creating series. This is a series where I am unboxing an advent calendar from Cora Crea crafts. I will have that information down in the description box if you'd like to go over to that website and check out what other things they have. This was a gift from my family for my birthday, and I have really enjoyed it so far. I can't believe the first week is almost over. December is flying by. I hope everybody is doing some fun, special things and making lots of memories. But without further delay, let's get on to opening our Advent Package 7. I hope everybody has been having a great week so far. I've been participating in several events here on my channel. In addition to this daily Advent, I've been doing Defemmer Ember, and I'm also in the collaboration #DD Advent 2024 with Tracy Fox, her Christmas anthology. I will be having a video for that up on Sunday. My official video for that event is December 27th, where I'll be doing a tutorial. But I do plan on following the collaboration and the anthology stories and creating journals. I've got a series here on my channel where I've already created the storage box for that, if y'all would like to check that out. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, we've got a stencil. This is cool. Looks like it's alchemy stencils. Let me take it out of the package and we can kind of get a better look at it without the glare. So what we got here. Alright, we've got some, let's see if I can back this to where you can see it a little bit better. Like maybe I can do it with the packing. So it looks like we've got the essence of transformation, and it looks like a sunburst here. This looks like a wheel, then some stars and moon designs. Looks like a snake, hourglass. The Happy Alchemist, some circle designs look a little steampunk, and a little cauldron, and then we've got some potion bottles and test tubes, and then she's got at the top Cora Crea. Alright, this is great. So I'm going to grab a few items, and I'll come back and we'll get to creating. Okay, I decided to challenge myself, and I grabbed some inks and then only some things that I still had laying around on my desk from other projects. So the inks I grabbed were Pine Needle. I grabbed some Distress Spritz in Peeled Paint and Spiced Marmalade. The Distress Oxide of Spiced Marmalade. Some black texture paste, and then on my desk that I had not put away, I grabbed the stamps that I had that I used earlier this week. Grabbed those, some of the leftover stickers from, I think it was day 2, some of that leftover packing material, a candy wrapper, a little small piece of coffee dyed paper, ephemera piece, and a piece of patterned paper. So I'm going to set this to music and let's see what I can make. create another journal page. Since I do think I want to put a journal together to kind of represent what I was in this Advent box, just as a little remembrance. So I made a small journal page, and what I did is I took the stencil, I just did a shadow of an outline here with this Essence of Transformation, just with the spiced marmalade oxide, so it's just a hint of a shadow since it's a lot of the same colors here. And then I made a little tuck spot with the leftover stickers from day 2 and one of the embellishments that I had. And on the inside, I took the packing material, I cut out a label and used that label as like a little journaling card and put my day 7 sticker on that. On the other side, I did some more stenciling that you can see a little bit better. I did kind of a like reverse stenciling because I just stuck this on top of the stencil and used my leftover spray that was on the stencil to make this pattern. I did some stamping with the number stamp and went back with some splatters with the Distress Spritz. I also took the packing material and just tore some of the images out, made a little cluster here with that coffee dyed paper scrap that I had. So I've made this kind of a tuck spot that I can use for my journal, and use some more of the leftover stickers from day 2. And then on this side, I did some stenciling with the black grit paste of the Cauldron and the Happy Alchemist, and then used some more of that packing material just as a torn piece for background, and another one of the leftover stickers from day 2. Again, it's hard to believe that this is the end of week 1 of this series. I will have the link in the description box where you can go back and check out the playlist if you've missed any of the days 1 through 7, and be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. And I'd love for you to come over and join my Facebook group. I'll also have that link down in the description box. And with the spirit of Christmas here in the attic, I leave you with my beverage choice of the day, my French vanilla coffee, and let's see what day 7 Advent chocolate we have. We have the crunchy toffee. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my beverage and my chocolate, and I'm wishing you all a very wonderful and safe holiday weekend. And until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.